Hello, good morning, everyone. So, this is Dr. Ritu again with you with one lecture. I cannot say this is a lecture, this is simply a discussion. And simply, I would like to discuss with you today that every smile, there is a story. Behind every smile, there is a story. So, mental health awareness, nowadays, people discuss a lot about mental health awareness. So, good morning, my dear. How many of you ever opened Instagram or LinkedIn, looked at someone else's success, and quietly thought, everyone's life is moving ahead except mine? This thought process. Ever you think about it? Everyone's life is moving ahead except mine. If your answer is yes, then today there is a need that we have to discuss this thing. If this answer is not in your mind, or this question is not in your mind and you are satisfied, then still I feel that you have to listen and you show to other your friends, then they have a clarity about it. See, as a teacher, I meet many students every day, and interestingly, you know what happened? Students rarely come to me because they cannot solve a programming problem or a mathematics questions. The students rarely come to me because they cannot solve a programming problem. Think about it, what I'm saying. They come with a sentence. They never come with a programming problems because I'm not from technical background. So they come with a sentence like, ma'am, I have no real friends. Everyone has a group. I eat lunch alone. I failed one subject. I have one back. I think I'm a failure. Or my parents have sacrificed so much for me, ma'am. I don't want to disappoint them. Nobody knows what I'm going through. So these are the questions, that few questions I simply am sharing with you, that young generation they are facing. And silently they are suffering. Does this sound similar to any one of you? If yes, so you remember, you are not weak. We all are human beings. You are not weak. The same thing happened with me also when I was, simply at your age, I can say. And even at this age, also, sometimes I feel very low. And how I counsel myself. So first you make it clear that you are not weak. You are a human being. This is a sign that you are a human being. Let me ask you one another question to you. If your mobile battery become 2%, do you change it? Do you sorry, no. Do you charge it? Yes. Right? So if your laptop hangs, what happened? What happened? Do you restart it now? Yes or not? Yes. Then why do we expect our own brain to keep working perfectly all the time? How it can be possible? Without rest, without proper sleep, without talking to anyone, without expressing emotions, your brain also needs charging. That charge comes from that some of the students they feel like that alcohol and all other things, but remember, this is temporary. So never add on your sensation with all these things. This charge comes from sound sleep, healthy conversation, healthy environment, exercise, gratitude. आभारी होना सीखिए. किसी को भी अगर आप थैंक्स कहेंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा आपको. अगर किसी ने आपके लिए छोटा सा भी कुछ किया है, थैंक यू से, बी ग्रेटफुल, बी you can show your emotion, gratitude, right? And it should be purposeful and meaningful, right? You have a purposeful and meaningful relationship in your life. Nowadays scenario is really very tough. We have only parents that we really trust, and only we have one relationship, mother and father, that we really trust. Other places, when we have so many things in our mind, then कभी भी सोचिएगा, एक मोमेंट के लिए भी अगर शक आया तो वो रिलेशनशिप में उसमें मजा नहीं है. Just like, let me tell you one small story. Like, imagine carrying a backpack on your shoulder. इमेजिन करिए आपने अपने कंधे पर एक बैग पैक करा हुआ है और डाला हुआ है. ऑन द फर्स्ट डे समवन इंसल्ट्स यू, ठीक है, और आप क्या आर्टिफिशियल स्माइल के साथ हैं, आप स्माइल कर रहे हैं, दूसरे ने इंसल्ट की क्योंकि किसी ने कहा है अपनी वीकनेस को नहीं दिखाना, ही नहीं दिखाना है कि मैं मेरी इंसल्ट हुई है. नो, वन स्टोन गोज इन टू द बैग दैट मोमेंट बिकॉज यू आर नॉट शोइंग. It's not a weakness if you're showing that this is not good. I'm not giving my life control to you. That you insult me. If I'm following the proper border, so you also have to follow the proper order. So one stone goes into the bag the moment when you give this artificial smile, but you carry this insult with you. So better to share, right? Like second thing, you fail in exam. कोई एग्जाम दिया, एग्जाम में मेरा एक बैग लग गया, another stone in your bag, right? Or like a friendship breaks, then another stone in your bag. Or maybe family pressure. मैं लोन लेके पढ़ रहा हूँ या मैं बाहर रह के पढ़ रहा हूँ, मम्मी पापा हैंडल बड़ी मुश्किल से कर रहे हैं, another stone in your bag. Relationship problems, another stone in your bag. You don't share anything, you just keep smiling. क्योंकि क्या कहा जाता है कि खुश रहिए, ठीक है, खुश रहना चाहिए. अगर स्माइल नहीं भी आती तो आर्टिफिशियल स्माइल धीरे धीरे कन्वर्ट होती है, राइट? पॉजिटिव हार्मोन्स जनरेट करती है. बट व्हाट हैपन if you are simply smiling but you are carrying the same stone, all stones in your back over your shoulder, what happened? Months later you say, ma'am, I don't know why I feel tired all the time. I don't know. It is not your body. It is the emotion weight. Remember, it is not your body. You never feel tired if you are, with your books, you are doing hard work day and night. You never feel tired. It's only the negative emotion that weigh you down. It's the emotional way that you have been carrying along without sharing. That's especially I would like to convey to engineering students. Engineering students often believe my CGPA defines me. Let me tell you, my dear, companies hire engineers, but industries retain people who can communicate well, manage stress well, work in team. If they have adaptability, they adapt the things and they love to lead with the team, work with the team, not on them. Your degree may get you an interview. Your emotional strength will help you to build your career. So what do you like most? Yes, your CGPA matters only that till time you are eligible for your placement. It doesn't mean this is going to be everything. If one student is scoring 95% but he don't know how to carry the emotions, so I cannot say that he will be successful in his or her life. Today I want to bust 3 myths only. See, strong people never cry. कहा जाता है ना, क्या मिथ है हमारा? ये मिथ है, मिथ कि जो व्यक्ति स्ट्रांग होता है वो कभी रोता नहीं. नो, नॉट एट ऑल. स्ट्रांग पीपल एक्सप्रेस इमोशंस. अगर बुरा लगता है तो स्ट्रांग पीपल एक्सप्रेस करता है बिफोर इमोशंस कंट्रोल देम. क्योंकि जब आपने एक्सप्रेस नहीं किया तो क्या होगा? आपके इमोशंस आपको कंट्रोल करने लगेंगे, आप धीरे धीरे डिप्रेशन के शिकार होंगे. दूसरा मिथ जो सबसे ज्यादा हमारी इंडिया में चलता है, इफ आई आस्क फॉर हेल्प पीपल विल थिंक आई एम वीक. अगर मेरा कोई सब्जेक्ट वीक है और मैं क्लास में नहीं पूछ रही हूँ या डिस्कस नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं क्लास में खड़े होकर नहीं पूछ रही हूँ, एज अ फैकल्टी भी मैं किसी से डिस्कस नहीं कर रही हूँ, कोई रिसर्च वर्क कर रही हूँ और मैं सोच रही हूँ कि नहीं, अगर मैं पूछूंगी तो मेरी इंसल्ट हो जाएगी, उसको पता लग जाएगा कि मुझे नहीं आता है. इफ आई आस्क फॉर हेल्प पीपल विल थिंक आई एम वीक. नो, दिस इज अ मिथ ओनली. Remember, asking for help is one of the biggest or strongest decision a person can make. अगर आप हेल्प मांगना पसंद करते हैं इसका मतलब आप बहुत स्ट्रांग पर्सन है, राइट? तीसरा मिथ क्या है? एवरीवन एल्स इज हैप्पी एक्सेप्ट मी. हर किसी के साथ अच्छा हो रहा है, मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? तो ध्यान रखिए, रिमेंबर, सोशल मीडिया शोज हाइलाइट्स. अच्छी अच्छी चीजें दिखाना, ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर्स दिखाना, अपनी गुड साइड दिखाना, कोई अपनी बैड साइड नहीं दिखाता है. So it does not show anxiety, it does not show loneliness, it does not show panic attacks, it does not show nervousness. Never compare your behind the scene with someone else. Highlights the reel. So never be after reels, you know. As per the research, if you see somewhat what happened, we are scrolling, we are using our mobile, and we totally forget about it that 2 hours we simply wasted on reels. No, not at all. This is very bad for mental health. Control yourself. If you are struggling, please do 5 things which I am going to tell you. स्लीप वेल, कोशिश करो सो पाओ. नींद कम आती है, नो इश्यूज, पॉजिटिव रहो. रिड्यूस अननेसेसरी सोशल मीडिया स्क्रॉलिंग, राइट. एक्सरसाइज फॉर एटलीस्ट 20 मिनट्स. 20 मिनट कितना ही टफ क्यों ना हो आपके लिए, जॉगिंग करो, सिंपल एक्सरसाइज करो, डांस करो, राइट. 20 मिनट्स फॉर योर सेल्फ. Talk to one trusted person in your life, maybe your teacher, maybe your mummy, maybe your father, right? Someone who is very close to you, where you, when you share something, there is nothing at back of the mind, then you have to share. Or ask for professional help if something is there which is not in control and continuous with you. There is absolutely no shame in asking for help. Remember about it. And now I want all of you to remember one sentence, that look around your classroom, look your surroundings. Someone sitting beside you may be smiling, but silently maybe fighting just because of loneliness, maybe fighting because of personal reasons, maybe fighting just because of professional reasons. So, but you remember someone answering every question in the classroom, और मे बी क्राइंग एवरी नाइट. हो सकता है बच्चा एक बहुत एक्टिव है, क्लास में रिप्लाई कर रहा है, या हो सकता है एक टीचर बहुत अच्छा पढ़ा रहा है लेकिन वो अकेला है. मे बी क्राइंग एवरी नाइट. समवन पोस्टिंग हैप्पी फोटोग्राफ्स टू मोटिवेट अदर पीपल, बट मे बी फील कंप्लीटली अलोन. सो बी काइंड. यू नेवर नो व्हाट बैटल अदर पर्सन इज फाइटिंग. हमेशा अच्छा बोलिए, अच्छा करिए. किस आपको नहीं पता है दूसरा किस फेज से गुजर रहा है. आपको अपने आप के साथ भी ऐसे ही डील करना है और दूसरे के साथ भी. आई वॉन्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू डू वन स्मॉल एक्टिविटी टुडे. बिफोर यू स्लीप टुनाइट, सेंड वन मैसेज, नॉट टू योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड, नॉट टू योर गर्लफ्रेंड और बॉयफ्रेंड, राइट. सेंड इट टू समवन हु हैज बिकम क्वाइट रिसेंटली, जिसे आप ऑब्जर्व करें वो अचानक से साइलेंट हो गया, बात नहीं करता है. जस्ट राइट, हाय, I was thinking about you. How are you really doing? This one message may change someone's life. A loving smile, genuine smile, जिसके लिए लोग तरसते हैं. So finally, I always remember that your marks are important. Yes, of course, but not that much. Your career is important. Your dreams are important, but your mental health is more important. Without a healthy mind, success loses its meaning. So never hesitate to speak to your teachers, to your mentors, to the counselors, or your family members, those who are very close to you, mother and father, or your sister, brother. There is always someone ready to listen. And today, I want every student, every listener to leave this hall with one belief. मेरी इस बात का सिर्फ इतना असर हो जाए आप पर कि आप ये ध्यान रखें कि आप अकेले नहीं हैं. यू मैटर. आप बहुत मैटर करते हैं. योर लाइफ हैज पर्पस. आप इस अर्थ पे कुछ समय के लिए आए हो और उसका एक पर्पस है. सो टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ एंड टेक केयर ऑफ ईच अदर. सो थैंक यू सो मच. Thank you. With a positive belief, I can say that all of you have to take care of yourself, focus upon, and try to control the things which are not good. Right? We know very well that these things are unruly. It would be difficult to control, but still you can do it because you have everything with yourself. You can do it. So please do it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's meet next time. Right? Whatever the questions you have, you please leave in the chat box. And I really feel obliged and happy when my student or the readers, they